Okay, so my power button broke the switch that goes into this little, oh wait, that's not even it. This little dick hole. Let me find it. Yeah, it's supposed to go right in there. And when I was putting the case back together, instead it snapped off. And I've been fighting with this thing. It's been one thing after another. And now I made my own because I wanted it to work. Oh, there we go. So, let me tell you, that's the best sound in the world. But otherwise, I mean, it works. It's just, a little improvised. That's the word I'm looking for, improvised. It's improvised for now. I've got another one coming, but, you gotta make do. Oh, before I go, I'll show you. Turns it off, too.